Hey guys, you may have seen my earlier video on custody, care and control, which gave a brief overview of these often confusing terms. In this second video, I will delve into these concepts a little deeper. First, what is joint custody and when is it granted? Now, joint custody allows both parents to share responsibility for important decisions concerning the child's future. This setup promotes cooperative parenting, which can benefit the child by giving them a sense of continuity and involvement from both parents. Courts in Singapore prefer joint custody if both parents are deemed fit, cooperative, and willing to work together in the child's best interests. If there is significant conflict or an inability to communicate respectfully, the court may reconsider joint custody, but it remains the preferred choice for child's welfare, assuming both parents can prioritize the child's needs over their personal disputes. Next, let's discuss sole custody and when it is appropriate. Sole custody gives one parent and one only full decision-making authority for major life aspects of the child. This includes a decision about the child's health, education, and religious upbringing without requiring consultation with the other parent. The court may grant sole custody if one parent is considered unfit due to issues like abuse, neglect, substance abuse, or mental health issues. Sole custody may also be awarded when one parent demonstrates an inability or unwillingness to cooperate or to communicate reasonably. In such cases, sole custody minimizes conflict and protects the child from harmful situations. But the court may still grant access rights to the other parent if it is deemed safe and beneficial for the child. Now let's move on to care and control orders and who usually gets it. A care and control order specifies the parent with whom the child will primarily reside. This parent is responsible for the child's daily care and decisions concerning everyday matters such as school routines, meals, and discipline. In many cases, the mother is awarded care and control, especially if the child is young, as the court recognizes that children generally benefit from stability and routine in early years. However, this is not automatic, and the father may be granted care and control if circumstances indicate that the child's welfare is better served in his care. Ultimately, the decision hinges on the specific needs of the child and the parent best suited to provide a stable daily environment. Singapore courts focus heavily on the child's welfare when making these decisions, and their goal is always to place the child in an environment that best supports their development. Section 125 of the Women's Charter expressly states that a child's preferences can influence the court, especially if the child is mature enough to express an informed choice. This is more common with older children when deciding on custody, care and control. While the court will consider the child's wishes and the parent's wishes, the paramount consideration is the welfare of the child. Another common question I get asked is whether the parent with care and control of the children, i.e. the parent that the children live with, can prevent the other parent from seeing the children. The answer is no. The parent with care and control cannot unilaterally restrict the other parent's access, although in practice, I do see a lot of mothers refusing to let their ex-husband see their children. Chapter 5 of the Women's Charter recognizes a child's right to maintain a relationship with both parents, assuming there are no safety concerns. If the court grants access right to the non-custodial parent, the parent with care and control must allow these visits or communication times, except in cases where there's a court-ordered restriction due to safety concerns, for example, a history of abuse. Breaching access orders can lead to legal repercussions, and affected parents can apply to the courts to enforce their access rights if access is unjustly denied. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.